Hey guys, Yash again. So we will be starting with unit conversion app. This is my first video. So we will be designing our layout. So let's get started. Create a new project. It will be a single view application. Uh, just a second. Yeah, single view application. Name it whatever you want. Uh, yeah, that's it. Language will be Swift and the device will be for iPhone. Uh, you can uncheck use core data. Yeah, it's okay. Don't use it. Save it to your preferred location. Create. Uncheck landscape left and landscape right. Click on main.storyboard. Go here at okay, yeah, the same. This is file inspector. Uncheck use size classes. Disable size classes, and make sure that that iPhone thing is on. Make sure this keep size class data for iPhone is on. So disable size classes. Actually, we are limited to creating app for iPhone, so we don't have any constraint problems. So let's get started. We will right now we will be designing a layout. So first editor, embed, click here. So embed in a navigation controller. So this what this is basically, this is the uh, I'll show you later. So I'll get rid of this movie for a while. Add one more view controller. Add a button. Here's a button. Place it anywhere you want. So okay, press Control and click to this view controller. Use push. So let's try building our app. Let's just give a background color. Go to attribute inspector. Background color to this is what I like. I like this color. So I will be using this color throughout. So let's try building our app right now. Okay, this takes a while. I am running on MacBook Air and I think it's pretty old. Need to buy my new MacBook Pro. Support me. So let's hope it runs. So here is our app. So what basically that button did is it took us to the next screen. It actually pushed us. So what this navigation controller is for, it is for this thing, the back button. So we don't have it now because we are on the home screen. So yeah, that's it. So let's do the more stuff. We will be adding one more segment. Uh, right here, maybe. Yeah. Stretch it. Yeah, this is cool. Let's just center it, make it a bit bigger. Again, center it. Let's get it go. I like font in bold. I emphasize on bold. That's a pun. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah. Just get it bigger. Rename it to temperature. Currency. And we need one more slot here. So let's go to attribute inspector. Increase number of slot here. Go to segment 2 and give it title of length, length, length. So yeah, we are basically done. for this view. Let's hop over to this view. We will just add on stuff we need, then we will align and do whatever we need to do. We need two segments, we need two labels. No, we need three labels actually. Three labels and one button. So here's our button. Now let's place them. Here it is. Let's keep it up. Yeah, this looks good. We actually need to make this bigger. And this will give a whole good catch to our app. So again, do the same thing. Do the same thing for this little guy. Get it all the way through. That's good. Okay. So yeah, button. Need to make it bigger again. Place it in center. Name it calculate. Calculate. And yeah, we want it to be bold. Yeah, definitely bold. I like bold. Bold is good. Bold gives a whole turn feeling. Um, this label is basically for displaying our results. So let's pull it all the way. We need a whole space. What we will also be displaying our units. So let's say if we are converting units to Fahrenheit, so this will say like 30 Fahrenheit. So wait, yeah. You can leave it blank and change a color, but let's give it a blue. I like blue. Okay, this is a bad blue. Darker one and definitely bold. And yeah, more important, keep it centrally aligned. This is how you centrally align it. Get rid of the text. It's okay. We don't need text. So let's label it. This is from. From means from which unit we will be converting, and keep it right aligned and make it bold. This will say 2. Again the same thing and make it bold. And leave this first and second thing blank. So basically here we are. We have a basic layout. Let's do one more thing. What we can do right now is we can add a file, a Coco class file. So right click here, say new file, Coco Touch classes, iOS sources Coco Touch class. Give it a main view controller name. Don't forget to add this main because it will be similar to the main thing, the main view, this here, and it will be subclass of UI view controller. Hit next. This beach ball, hit it, add it here, pull it here from there. Okay, here we are. Get rid of this comments, they're useless for now. Definitely for now. So yeah, we are done with this, but what we did is we just made a Coco class file, Coco Touch class file. Now this is the brain, but we need to tell storyboard that for what we will be using this. So click on the scene, this button, view controller, go to this identity inspector. In here class, type the name of the file you just gave. So for me it is main view controller. This is here because of this. Don't forget, this will mess the whole code if you don't do it right. Take care. Okay. Anyways, so let's just hit run and see how it works. We forgot to give constraints. Let's just stop it, I think. Yeah, we can. No, we can not. No, we did. We did not. Anyways, so click here. First you need to select your scene. Okay, select your scene, click here, clear constraints. I don't know, but you have to do it. I don't remember doing it. So Let's just add missing constraints. This is a shortcut, you may say. So yeah, we are done. So let's hop and play. Let's build. This should work. I hope so. It will work. So yeah, here we are with the basic app. So we have to from and basically calculate. So yeah, from next video we will be putting some brains into it. Thank you. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe.